Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free Peacock Premium for a month, follow these step-by-step instructions to enjoy premium content without payment. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Peacock TV website. Click on the Sign Up or Try Premium button. Step 2. Select the Peacock Premium or Premium Plus plan. Look for promotional offers that include a free trial period. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a secure password for your new Peacock account. Step 4. Provide your payment information. Although this is required, you won't be charged during the free trial period. Step 5. Review the terms and conditions, especially noting the trial end date and cancellation policy. Step 6. Confirm your subscription to start your free month of Peacock Premium immediately. Step 7. Download the Peacock app on your devices, including smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, or streaming devices. Step 8. Log in with your credentials and enjoy premium content, including exclusive shows, movies, sports, and live events for 1 month free. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.